Nazoziona hapa isiwe ni hesabu zetu.
This is 98.8 FM.
And on the other hand, the Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki has slammed his predecessor Rigathi Gachagua for running a briefcase party incapable. Kindiki, who spoke to the media briefing them of his party, said that he has done a grassroots that will deliver victory in the next year's presidential polls.
I don't know why you are comparing UDA, a formidable party, with
8 FM.
And Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro has raised the concerns over the freedom of media houses. Nyoro blamed the government over the delayed payments to various media houses. The action, he said, it's killing the media houses in the country, Kenya.